This is Goodman Road. And that's Highway 51. There's water way over there on the other highway. Oh, it's screwed.